sunshine. So today we're going to be unboxing July's Target Beauty unboxing. I'm really excited to get into this box because in all honesty, I cannot remember what is inside of this box. So one big complaint that I have about the Target Beauty box is when you go to purchase it, they have listed outside of like for the cover image, all of the things that is inside of the box. So like they will have the Target Beauty box, like you can see this, and then they lay everything out as a flat lay for the box, so when you go to buy, you already know what is inside of the box. I can see how this is both a good and a bad thing because like maybe you're on a budget and you're like, well, I really only want to buy the box if I absolutely love everything or the majority of things inside of the box. But like for people like me, I'm like, well, I'm just gonna get it anyway because I want to see what's inside and I love subscription boxes. So I already know what's inside of the box, but the good thing for this month is I cannot remember for the life of me what is inside of this box. So for those of you who do not know, Target Beauty Box is $7 a month. I've heard that there are some months where it's like $10, but I have yet to run into a month where I've paid more than $7 for it. And inside of it, you get beauty and makeup and skincare and hair care inside of it. It's really just a mix of things that you can purchase inside of Target. So far, I've been really happy with my Target Beauty boxes. Actually, like, I think I've gotten like 4 or 5, and this is the second consecutive month in a row where I've remembered to get the box. I literally put a reminder in my phone, and like when July 1st hit, I was like, okay, girl, try and remember to get the Target Beauty box, and I did, and I kept checking for like every day for like 6 days straight, and finally it was like July 8th, and they finally uploaded the box. So here I am with the Target Beauty box in my hand, and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside of it. Also, I think in every box you get a $3 coupon off of like beauty products that you can get at Target, and then on the back they have everything listed, like what is in the box with names and everything. So this box is really heavy and I'm really excited because I see some big products in here. Okay, it's heavy. It's getting a little too heavy to hold. So I don't know. I think I want to see what this giant big can is. I don't know if I like showed you guys like how much is in here. But it looks like a huge box and only for $7. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be pulling out is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with tea tree oil, made with fair trade ingredients. No parabens, no falafel. Oh, these words. Why haven't I looked up how to say these giant words? No phthalate, something like that. No propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no animal testing, and this is for problem skin. So it has African black soap, bamboo charcoal, and tea tree oil, which the African black soap helps to cleanse and hydrate problem skin. The bamboo charcoal absorbs oil and impurities to help detoxify and purify skin, and the tea tree oil helps soothe and calm troubled skin. So this is a massive, okay, it blows my mind because the Target box and the Walmart box are always such exceptional boxes. The only thing is Target is every month, and this is like you have to go and you have to like purchase the item. So it's not like a subscription service necessarily, like where you like hit checkout once and you're done until you go and cancel the subscription. Like you have to go and physically purchase the box every single month. But Walmart, it's a subscription box, and that's $5, and it's literally jam-packed. Like a Walmart box is jam-packed with items, and it's full size and like literally everything. So it blows my mind that like Ipsy and like Sephora Play and stuff like that can't, like, I mean, I guess because they're smaller companies, but like if this box is jam-packed with full-size stuff, and I don't know, I don't understand how Walmart and Target can do boxes like this, but Ipsy and Sephora Play can't do boxes like this. I don't know, but this is a giant amount. This is much bigger. This is not a, I don't know if this is a sample size, presumably not. But even if it is a sample size, it's 2 ounces. This is huge compared to the sample sizes that I get from Ipsy and Sephora Play. So the first thing that we got is a body scrub with tea tree oil in it. The next thing that I'm pulling out is the Moni Coconut Long-Lasting Oil Absorption Dry Shampoo. First of all, I love the packaging. It's gorgeous peach. And it's a dry shampoo, and it like, I didn't used to use dry shampoo when my hair was darker, but now that my hair's lighter, I'm like, yes, girl, dry shampoo. Like, oh, it smells so good. My hair looks so much better now that I like flipped it over. It was looking really bad. Okay, so let's smell it. It kind of smells like pineapple a little bit, kind of like, I don't know, I get like pineapple, like the tropical fun scent. So we have a massive amount of dry shampoo. Like, look how much is in here. Like, I don't have any like sample sizes out of my vanity right now, but like I was just gonna show you guys, like in comparison to like Sephora Play and Ipsy, like the sample sizes are like this big. Where like, look at this, I got a full on, like, I know it might be a sample size, but this is a giant can of dry shampoo. So yes, I just wish it told me what the scent was. Ultra fine rice starch acts quickly to soak up oil, sweat, and odor, leaving hair fresh and static free. So it didn't really, like, I have a little bit of like dry shampoo residue you can see in my hair from when I just sprayed this, but oh my gosh, I just read something and I was like, wait, did I just read that right? It said solvent abuse can kill instantly. Is this for people who like huff these things? Oh my goodness, that's scary. I mean, not that I would ever like do anything like that, but like, geez, way to like low-key threaten on the back of a dry shampoo bottle. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this thing, and I'm really excited to see what this is because I love the packaging. Look how pretty purple it is. So this is the Tresemme Repair and Protect Instant Recovery Mask with biotin. I need this. My hair has been so dry because I've been swimming in chlorine water, like pool water, which has chlorine, and it's killing my hair. So this is Instant Recovery Mask for damaged hair. Next thing that I'm pulling out are these ultra vibrant whitening strips. Oh my goodness. Okay. Compared to Crest 3D White No Slip White Strips, removes years of tough coffee, wine, and smoking stains. Whiter teeth in just 3 days, enamel safe. 6 strips for 3 treatments. Who is this from? Is this like Target's generic brand? I don't know. It just says Up and Up. I have no idea. Maybe it said distributed by Target Corporation. So I think this is like Target's version of whitening strips. So like this is Target's generic version, presumably. I don't shop at Target. Because we don't have any Targets around me. Like literally the closest Target is half an hour away, and that's a long time away. So we got whitening strips, and I know these suckers can be expensive, so I'm really excited that I got them in here. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Neva Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash, moisturizing ingredients of classic Neva cream. Is it Neva? I don't really know. Oh my gosh, look how fun this spray guy is. Look how fun that is. Oh my god, now I have to spray because I gotta see how pretty it looks. Oh my gosh. Wait, what is this even? I can't even remember. Body wash. Okay. I was like, is this shaving cream? Oh. Okay, it smells like soapy, and I kind of am low-key regretting this decision because now I have like all of this body wash and I have no idea what to do with it. So I guess you guys are like just gonna wash my arm with no water, and I'm gonna have to, why did I do this? Oh yeah, because I was excited to see how it came out of the bottle. But look, this is a giant thing. This is what was really, really heavy in the box. So I will be right back. I have to go wash this off of my arm, but it has a very powdery, like you can kind of see that I'm struggling to breathe because you guys know that like I really have a hard time with strong scents. So it has a very strong powdery scent to it. I'm gonna go wash it off and see how it acts as a body wash. Okay, so I wish I could be like, okay guys, let's pass my arm around so we can all feel my arm, because my arm definitely feels like very moisturized and supple feeling. So I'm very happy with this. My arm doesn't feel slippery, it doesn't feel greasy. I didn't know that this is a thing, and I'm really excited about it. But I wanted to show you guys, okay, so this is a dry shampoo sample that I got in my Sephora Play box, and this is the dry shampoo that I got in my Target beauty box, and here's the size difference. Sephora Play's $10 a month. I got this box. Oh, I just dropped it. I got this box for $7. So if you're looking for a budget buy, go get yourself on Target website and sign up for the Target beauty box, because I promise you, we still got more items in this box. This box is amazing, and I don't know, I'm sad I haven't like gotten more boxes because I was like, didn't know that this was a thing. So I wish that this was the thing sooner, or that I knew it was a thing sooner, so I could have gotten more boxes. The next thing I'm pulling out is a Cure Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. Ooh, I hope it smells like mangoes, even though I have no idea why it would smell like mangoes. I just dropped the lid to this. I have the Dropsies. Why didn't my parents name me like Dropsy Elizabeth or something like that? I literally drop everything. Okay guys, I'm like so freaking excited to smell this because look, it's green. It's like Everest tree green, and it looks like pesto. It looks like pesto sauce, but it's a face scrub, not food, Elizabeth. It doesn't really have too much of a smell. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It literally looks like I'm just scrubbing like pesto on my hand. Look. Somebody grab the pasta. We're having dinner. Minty. It smells like mint, soapy, a little bit of public bathroom in there, but it definitely feels a lot more like an abrasive, like a kind of on the edge of a little too abrasive feeling, at least on the back of my hand. However, my hand could be sensitive because I just use extremely hot water to wash this body wash off of. So I'm gonna see if it has stained my skin green, because I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's all like green. So let's see if it stains my hand green. So I'm low-key sad because my hand isn't stained green. I was gonna walk around and be like, I've got the green spot, which is a like low-key Pirates of the Caribbean reference, because like black spot anyway. So I don't know if I would use this on my face, or maybe it'd have to be like once a week type of deal, because this feels like very abrasive. However, I think I would feel more comfortable using this on like my ankles and my elbows when they get really, really dry, because I have really, really dry ankles and elbows. I feel like I talk about this every time we do an unboxing, and I also feel like I maybe wore the shirt last time I did a Target unboxing. I don't know, but the last thing that we have in this box is Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Sheet Mask with seaweed extract, soothes and replenishes skin. On the back it says, this jelly eye sheet mask is made to target your eye area where stress and sleepiness can show. Made with seaweed extract, this mask works hard to soothe and replenish skin. It's a great way to relax after a busy day, won't clog pores. So you're supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes. When it said sleep mask, I thought you like would sleep with this on, but it says leave on for 15 minutes while you relax. Okay, for $7, here's everything I got. A new product from Clean and Clear, a jelly eye sheet mask. Nieva, another new product, foaming silk mousse body wash. 3 teeth whitening strips from Target. A Cure Brilliantly Brightening Face Scrub. Oh no, I dropped it again. 4 drops in this video. Tresemme hair mask. And a Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub and dry shampoo from Moni Coconut. Maybe the coconut is the scent of it. Maybe I just got like tropical. Like, isn't that what I said? I got tropical from this. Coconut would make sense now. I was like, tropical, it smells like bright and fun, and now that it says coconut and I like put those two thoughts together, remember, I am not the brightest tool. I can't even say the saying right. I am not the brightest bulb in the bunch. But yeah, okay, coconut makes sense. Remember, I don't have the best smell. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things I got in here for $7, and like I'm pretty sure that at least 3, if not 4. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is probably full size. This is probably full size. And these 2 items are probably full size. And we got a whole sheet mask, so that I think that counts as full size. So we got 7 items in here for $7 from different brands. Granted, none of them were actually makeup. I know like last month's box was actually more makeup than skincare. A general like skincare kind of thing. Not really a lot of makeup, but I mean, I'm not even mad because this was $7 and I got a whole assortment of different products from different brands and a couple of new products thrown in there. So I'm really, really pleasantly surprised. Well, not pleasantly surprised. I knew this box was going to be rocking, but I'm really happy with this box. I'm very impressed. I'm very like, way to go, Target. You're doing it again kind of deal going on. So what was your favorite item in the Target beauty box? What is something that you would like to see in there? Are there any products in here that you absolutely love or absolutely hate? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.